Aveda Botanical Repair. Stronger from the inside out. Hair is made of proteins called keratin. Keratin is held together primarily by disulfide and hydrogen bonds. There are approximately 10 times more hydrogen bonds than disulfide. Disulfide are stronger but fewer in number. While they are hard to break, once broken they cannot be replaced, only mended. Hydrogen bonds are more vulnerable to damage and therefore critical to be replaced. These bonds can break with grooming, heat styling, and chemical services. After 3 years of research, Aveda found a way to strengthen hair from within, building new hydrogen bonds, all with the power of plants. Discover the Botanical Repair bond-building plant molecule. A molecule 40% smaller penetrates deep within the cortex, helping build thousands of new hydrogen bonds, reinforcing hair's internal structure. Hair is transformed, stronger from the inside out. Hair looks healthy, beautiful, and full of life. Botanical Repair, the source of hair's inner strength. 100% vegan bond-building hair care.